Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. I have another Tonic Studios haul to share with you guys tonight. I feel really dumb, but I accidentally ordered this set again, but that is okay because these three you can never have enough of. So, I'll address that in a minute. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, there are 4 items, well, according to the product list, there's 4 item codes, but there's bundles. I guess we'll start with that. So it is an embossing powder bundle. I'm not going to open these up because I already have them opened over here. But if you are wanting to start with embossing, I am going to tell you that this is a good bundle. And I think it's still available. I am not positive. Here is the code if you want to check it out on Tonic Studios. If it's still available, just punch that code in the search and see if it pops up. It was $13.27. You get a glacier white, which is kind of a flat white. You have clear, which I highly recommend for everybody's embossing stash. And then you have shimmering pearl. This one here, great for Christmas cards or anything that you want to add sparkle to. If you have like liquid applique or like expanding mousse, you can actually sprinkle this in it, and when it puffs up, really great technique, just telling you. And then it also comes with a classic silver, and this will have a slight sheen to it. It's not totally flat once it is embossed. So that's a really great embossing set to pick up, especially just for these 2 right here. So there is that bundle. Next, I thought this was something else. Oh, no, it is. Okay. It is a blender. It's Nuvo alcohol markers. This is the blender set. And a little tip if you are new to alcohol markers of any kind. This is actually a deceiving title for these pens. So blender pen, you think that you're gonna use it to blend your colors. Truly, the only way to really blend your alcohol markers is going from lightest to darkest and back to lightest using the 3 colors in a tone. The blender pen is basically like a color lifter or an eraser. If you go out of the lines, it will kind of like push the color back into the line if it's kind of bleached out. Red is kind of hard to do. Also, like if you want to pull color up, to have like if you put down a big swath of blue and you want really pancake, so like you put a big swath of blue and like you use this to put it down and hold it, you'll have like lighter marks. It almost looks like stars in the sky. So for $4.99 to get 3 blender pens, I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I grabbed that up to add to my stash. They come with a fine point and a chisel point. Fine. Some of y'all know I am not a fan of either of those. I prefer to color with brush tip. So Tonic, you really should do away with the chisel and bring out brush tips, just saying. Or provide a brush tip to swap out. So, got that. I'm going to save that one. We have a paper bundle. This is a classic card bundle. So this is all classic cardstock. And some of y'all know how much I adore their classic card. It is a solid core. This bundle was $16.15. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90 sheets of cardstock for $16.15 because 10 sheets comes in each of these colors. And I love a good textured cardstock, which is what Tonic has. They call it a weave texture. I just call it texture. So we have oyster gray, tan brown. I actually call that baby poo brown. Anyway, sorry. We have cornflower blue, French blue, spearmint green. I really like that green. We have Arctic blue, ocean blue, which is kind of a nice teal. Then here they have teal blue and pistachio green. I love, love, love this green. Love it. So all of that cardstock for $16.15 minus my discount. So $1.61 off of that. So 14 something. And then the last bundle that I got is called the I Love You Because die and stamp set plus free ink pad. So the die is I Love You Because, and it's 3 pieces. So there you go. It's 4.3 by 4 inches, so obviously going to fit through your machine. Then you have this sentiment die set, and they are, well, I can't think why. I love you just because. I can't think why. I just love you, okay? You bring the wine. I love you because you bring the wine. I love you because you put up with me. You keep me sane, mostly. That's funny. You do the ironing. You make me laugh. You're okay, I guess. You give good hugs. You're my soulmate. You take the bins out. Despite everything, you're still here, idiot. You make me look young. You make my day brighter. And you always bring chocolate. So there's that. And then it came with a full-size ink pad in the Empire Blue. And I'm just going to hold on to this as a backup because I do have that already open. And there you go. Can you believe that? All of that in under 10 minutes, which is rare on this channel. I know I'm notorious for long videos, but that's okay because honestly, I prefer to watch long videos, but that's me. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I don't think this is still available. I'm not positive. I don't think it is though. But again, go check out their website. They do have I think it's a tool sale that's going on all month. Give me a second and I will confirm for you. Or not. Oh, it's not wanting to do its thing. Okay, so yeah, it's called the May Tool Sale. So they've got all kinds of different tools that are on sale. Right now they also have, it's called the Seasonal Shop Window, but actually I think that might be sold out. It is sold out, so ignore me on that. But they did just launch, it's called the Totally Tomes Gift Box Collection, which is a really cute die set. I did order it, so I'm hoping it gets here soon because I love anything that looks like books. So you should go check that set out. I am really excited about it. Because of the way a lot of the artwork is. So it's going to come with two different die sets, and a 6x6 paper pad. So, with that, and just so you know, it looks like the singles are sold out, and actually, forgive me, it's sold out. That sold out quick. That launched, so I'm recording this on Tuesday night. It launched Tuesday morning, and it sold out already. So, I apologize. Ignore me. But do go check it out. Hopefully they might bring it back because I can't believe how fast that sold out. Wow. All right. That's it. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. I love you guys to pieces. Any questions or comments, leave them down below, or feel free to shoot me an email. Talk to you guys later. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.